Hello, welcome to Black Friday on Spy Money LLC. Today we have two coupons. They both expire tonight at midnight. We have the SpyBot. I've never done this before. Free setup. That's a $400 value. Free setup on SpyBot Auto Trading Bot. And we've also got a Black Friday coupon on 25% off anything on the website except for SpyBot. So there's two different coupons you can use. If you're interested in SpyBot, today is the day. I do not run specials on SpyBot. Today is a one of a kind. I woke up this morning and I thought, I'm going to run one. So here we go. $400 off on the initial lease. So you'll get $400, which is the setup fee, and that's where I come in and I live train you. I set everything up on your system and live train you to use it. I also record that and send you a link to download. That way you can watch it at a later time. So you'll be able to watch the training video that I train you to set up anytime you want. So it actually works out really well. Plus I give support on SpyBot all the time. We are continuing to add new bots to the SpyBot family. We have one called Ranger that's coming up, and that is going to be a very good bot. I think it may be the best bot I have. It is just more of a long trading bot. But any of the and how you go there, you go up here to SpyBot Auto Trading Bot, and you go right here, and it goes down, shows you some videos that you can watch how the SpyBot actually works, and also down here we do have a financing plan, but the financing plan is not included in this. You would have to purchase this one over here. So the lease is $1,000 a month. You can easily make that in a day depending on your account size. But SpyBot really produces some good numbers. So having questions, let me know. I'll be available today to answer your questions. We also have a lot of indicators. A lot of people like to change up their system a little bit, change up their trading, and do a little better. Probably our best indicator that I won't say that necessarily the best, they're all good. But probably one of the most popular is this one. It's SpyBot Finder and the Profit Finder. And we have the Profit Finder and the bars. In my opinion, I think the bars is very important to run with these. And I have a training video that is on YouTube that will actually teach you how to use this. One of the other things that we have, if I can find it here, if we go back, and this is probably our best course. Actually, I think it is our best course. And it's how to trade the two-step. It's scalping futures and equity options. You can trade anything using this system. You can use any platform. It doesn't matter what platform you're on. You can trade futures, equities, Forex, whatever you want to trade. This works with all of them. And now on the indicator, this indicator only works on NinjaTrader. But if you have Thinkorswim platform, we have this indicator with that. So if you would decide that you want to buy the bundle with the SpyBot mover indicator on TOS, just send me a message and I will set up a plan to where you can buy it. Most people buy the this one, which is the NinjaTrader SpyBot mover. That's where most of the people trade futures. But if you want to trade on TOS or even TradeStation, I have it on both of them. So it'll run on both. Again, we go down to the products. Our most popular, we even have an owner finance course, how to buy your property, how to find the buyers, how to do the owner financing with all the deed, the recording, and everything that you would need to use in order to do the owner finance. You can do with this course. I give you generic files and stuff that you can use, or Word documents, so you can change them to meet how you want to do it. It works really well. We also have, let's see, whichever. So we have the Super Trend. That is a very popular one that we have. And we have a bot that works off Super Trend. But it works off of a Super Trend magic formula that I come up with. And you go long on the blue and you go short on the red, or I guess that's pink. But it works really well. That's one of our best bots that we use. It works really well. Lots of different things that you can do in here. There's a lot of courses, depending on what course you want. And if you're not really sure what you want to do, let me know, and then I will walk you through and make sure that you purchase the right thing. We don't want you to buy anything that you don't need. And we have the 2 coupons here. We have the Black Friday coupon for the SpyBot free setup and the Black Friday coupon for 25% off. These expire tonight, Friday, midnight, Eastern Standard Time. So if you're going to purchase them, you need to do so now. And if you're going to buy multiple products, let me know, and maybe I can give you a little bit better deal if you're buying multiple products. And so if you want to buy the SpyBot and you want to also buy maybe a course, let me know, and I'll work out something better for you, make it even better. So I hope you all have a good day today. Lots of shopping going on today. A lot of Black Friday specials going on. Just hope that I can help you. Also, mention this funded account. 50% off. You get 50% off the funded account. And if you don't have the money to fund your account in order to trade, you can purchase this, and they'll set up either 25, 50, 100, 300,000, whatever it is that you want. They've got different plans here. You click on here, use this coupon right here, save 50% off. It's actually until January the 5th, not the 1st. So I need to change that. January the 5th, that works. So if you're not, if you don't have a large account and you'd like to have one, this is the easiest way. You get the first $10,000 you make for free. And then after that, they charge you 10%. So if you make $100,000, they keep $10,000 and pay you $90,000. But you're using their money. It works really well. Up here's our social media links that you can look at, and let me know if you have any questions. Come over here to contact, and by filling this out, I am the one that gets the messages. I will respond to every message I get personally. So if you have any questions, let me know. And again, your coupons are right here, and right there is the coupon code for the free setup, and right here is the coupon for 25% off. Hope you guys have a great day.